Poor sleep quality is far more than just feeling tired. It's a hidden force that accelerates aging from the inside out. When sleep is disrupted, the body's circadian rhythms, its natural 24-hour cycles, become misaligned, throwing essential processes like cell repair and hormone production into disarray. This misalignment leads to oxidative stress, where unstable molecules damage cells, contributing to wrinkles, sagging skin, and even cognitive decline. Hormonal imbalances, such as reduced melatonin and elevated cortisol, further disrupt the body's ability to rejuvenate, leaving it vulnerable to chronic diseases like diabetes and heart disease. Sleep isn't just about quantity, it's about consistency. Experts emphasize getting 7-9 hours nightly, but the timing matters just as much. Irregular sleep patterns confuse the body's internal clock, worsening the effects of aging. One of the biggest culprits: screen time before bed. The blue light emitted by phones and laptops suppresses melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. To combat this, creating a bedtime routine, like dimming lights, reading a book, or practicing relaxation techniques, can signal the brain that it's time to wind down. By prioritizing quality sleep, it's possible to slow the aging process and protect long-term health. Chronic stress doesn't just make you feel exhausted, it ages you from the inside out. When stress becomes chronic, your body stays in a constant state of fight or flight, flooding your system with cortisol. This hormone, meant for short-term survival, wreaks havoc when elevated long-term. It triggers widespread inflammation, damages cells, and even shortens telomeres, the protective caps on your DNA that determine cellular lifespan. Shortened telomeres are linked to accelerated aging, making you biologically older than your years. Studies show chronic stress can age cells by up to a decade, increasing vulnerability to wrinkles, memory decline, and chronic illnesses like heart disease. Your immune system also takes a hit under prolonged stress. Cortisol suppresses immune function, leaving you more susceptible to infections and slower to heal. Over time, this weakens your body's defenses, making everyday stressors harder to manage. The good news: you can reverse these effects. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing lower cortisol levels, while regular exercise boosts endorphins, your body's natural stress relievers. For persistent stress, professional counseling provides tools to break the cycle. Addressing stress isn't just about feeling better. It's about preserving your youth and vitality for years to come. A diet loaded with processed foods accelerates aging in ways many people don't realize. One of the primary culprits is glycation, a harmful process where sugar molecules bind to proteins like collagen and elastin, key components for skin elasticity and firmness. Over time, this leads to wrinkles, sagging, and a dull complexion. But the damage doesn't stop at appearance. Glycation also contributes to chronic inflammation, which is linked to diseases like diabetes and Alzheimer's. The high sugar content in processed foods, such as sodas, snacks, and ready-to-eat meals, fuels this destructive cycle, while artificial additives and preservatives further strain the body's detoxification systems. Beyond skin-deep effects, processed foods often lack essential nutrients, leaving the body deprived of the vitamins and minerals needed for cellular repair and energy production. Deficiencies in antioxidants, such as vitamins C and E, mean the body struggles to combat free radicals, leading to oxidative stress, another major driver of aging. The absence of fiber in these foods also disrupts gut health, which plays a surprising role in skin quality and overall well-being. Repeated consumption of processed foods creates a vicious cycle of inflammation, cellular damage, and accelerated aging. Fortunately, simple dietary changes can reverse or slow these effects. Shifting to a whole foods diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats provides the nutrients needed for repair and resilience. Antioxidant-packed foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts neutralize free radicals, while hydration supports skin plumpness and toxin removal. Reducing processed sugar intake and cooking meals at home also minimizes exposure to harmful additives. By making mindful food choices, it's possible to protect collagen, reduce inflammation, and maintain a youthful glow from the inside out.